I'm sure you've heard the news. Ford Escape AWD systems can be a bit finicky. But why? Let's talk about why your Ford Escape's all-wheel drive might not be working. One common issue is the PTU, or Power Transfer Unit. This small but crucial part can overheat and fail, especially if you don't change the fluid regularly. Another culprit? The rear drive unit. This part distributes power to the rear wheels, and if it's not functioning correctly, your AWD system won't either. Sometimes, simply checking the fluid level can make a big difference. Then there's the issue of sensors. Your Ford Escape relies on various sensors to monitor and adjust the AWD system. If a sensor fails or gets dirty, it might send the wrong signals, causing the system to malfunction. Lastly, let's not forget software updates. Ford regularly releases updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Make sure your vehicle's software is up to date. So, there you have it. PTU, rear drive unit sensors, and software. 4 common reasons why your Ford Escape's AWD might be acting up. Check these areas and you might just save yourself a trip to the mechanic. Got any other car questions? Drop them in the comments below.